Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning from September 14th to the 20th and using the Enjoy the Little Things kit from Crafts by Thaowie. On this page, we have our 9 full boxes, which are foiled with rose gold foil. We've also have some page flags down at the bottom here. On this page, we have lots of boxes, third boxes, quarter boxes, half boxes, some 3-heart checklists. Love all of these layering stickers, more page flags, super cute. We've got cut washi. It's like printed cut washi, or are these headers? These are all the same size. So we've got printed headers, cut washi, some floral deco, these adorable frames. Loving all of these icons, our sidebar stickers, including habit trackers, a weekly tracker that actually doesn't have the days of the week on there, so you could use that as a checklist or as a Monday through Sunday tracker. Crafts by Thaowie always includes a weekly cleaning list in her kits, which is super cute and handy. And then on this page, we've got our date covers, bottom washi, and then some foiled headers as well. So excited to use this kit. I think it's beautifully designed and I cannot wait to see what it looks like on the page. If you would like to see how this spread comes out, please just keep watching. So let's get started by placing down the bottom washi. This is the last week of summer and I thought this kit would make a great transition kit from summer into fall because the colors are really beautiful and I'm in Southern California, so it's gonna stay warm out here for at least a couple more months anyways, but it'll be nice to actually transition into fall kits because fall begins on Tuesday. So once I've got the bottom washi down, I'm going to add my date dots to the date covers, and I'm using date dots from Rose Color Days. They are my favorite, and so I tend to use them pretty often. Then I'm going to place my date covers down at the top. Once that's done, I'm going to move over to my sidebar. In my last video, I said that the sidebar for me kind of sets the tone of how I feel about my entire spread. And so when I get that right, it always makes me happy, which I did not get right last week, but I am loving my sidebar for this week. I pulled in a deco sheet from the Sweet Planner, which had some florals that complemented the florals in this kit so beautifully. And so I'm pulled in a couple of deco pieces, that floral and the pillow that I used as a background for the September script, which is also from Rose Color Days. Then placed down the quote box, which says enjoy the little things, and then used a lace divider from Honey Inked to trim the bottom of that quote box. That cute little memo notepad actually came in the kit. It's from Crafts by Thaowie. I layered that over a washi strip, and then that work from home script is from With Love Sticker Co. that mark the weeks that I've been working from home. And then instead of doing like a normal Monday through Sunday tracker, I did love the fact that it was blank. So I used that to mark keeping track of my Instagram posts for the week, and then added the habit trackers to finish off my sidebar. Moving into our day-to-day, I'm starting by placing down one of the foiled headers, and then I'm going to add this is one of the floral deco pieces that actually came from the kit, and then I'm layering it with a foiled floral piece, deco piece from Letters from Lay. And I'm going to pick those up because I decided I wanted to layer it over one of the quarter boxes, and I'm placing down this cute little alarm clock from Alyssa's Craft Shop to mark approving my time card, which I have to do on Mondays on the weeks in which I get paid. Underneath there, I'm using a half box from the kit and layering one of those crystal pin icons, also from Crafts by Thaowie, but not a part of the kit. And the work script is from Nettie Designs, just marking some things I needed to focus on for work that day. Then I used another one of those floral deco pieces from the Sweet Planner and layered a little laundry basket icon from Alyssa's Craft Shop to mark that I needed to do some laundry, wash some clothes that day. Then placing down the full box for Monday, I also added a lace trim sticker under there. This is where I remembered that I had completely forgotten to put down my script stickers in the sidebar. Those are all from Sticky Sloth Designs. Her shop is now closed, but there are lots of other great shops that you can get script stickers from. If you have any questions or want some suggestions, let me know, and I'll be glad to share those with you in the comments. Oh, the podcast that I listened to came back on Monday, so I bought another house. And if you've been watching this channel for a while, then you totally get that joke. And then I finished off by marking my workout session with a sports bra from the Pretty Pink Co. On to Tuesday, I'm placing the full box down at the bottom of the column on Tuesday, then moving up to the top. And I used one of these fancy little frame boxes from Crafts by Thaowie.
seriously, come on. It's like a cute little fancy frame shape, and then it's got like floral deco around it. You don't have to do anything to that sticker because it's already so amazing. And that was like the only thing I could think was don't put anything else around it because it's just like visually so incredible all on its own. Underneath there, I marked a phone call I needed to make to State Farm. Yeah. Adulting. Anywho, underneath there, I'm marking that I had a plan with me go live that day. And so I did some layering with one of the page flags from the kit that I actually cut so that both ends would have that sort of page flag detail, and then layered the the little planner icon from the kit along with a Plan With Me live script from Letters to Apollo. And then to mark having dinner with the hubs, I just used a plate and cutlery icon from the Pretty Pink Co. layered over some flowers from the Sweet Planner. And then that bow header is from Nettie Designs. And that finishes up Tuesday. Moving on to Wednesday, I decided what I wanted to do with the full boxes on Wednesday and Thursday was I wanted them both like right side by side next to each other. So don't often do going across Wednesday and Thursday unless it's already a double full box, but I decided I wanted to do that anyways this week. So I placed down the headers and then the full boxes and then added those lace trim stickers on both Wednesday and Thursday. Then I'm placing down a half box from the kit and then used a laptop icon from the Pretty Pink Co. I was running low on those laptop icons and sports bra icons from the Pretty Pink Co. So I was so excited when I found out that she was going to be reopening her shop on Friday because I knew I needed to reorder more of both of those icons. I love them and use them a lot. I used another one of those fancy frame boxes from the kit to mark calling my mom, and that cell phone icon is also from Crafts by Thaowie. Then I put down a flourish from Alyssa's craft shop, and then oh my gosh, I have been wanting to use that flourish in a spread since I got it. And I think I've had it for like a month. And every time I would go to put that flourish down on the page, it just didn't look right to me and I didn't love it. And then all I did this week was I flipped it upside down, fell in love with it, and now I want to use it like all the time. Brace yourself. More of that flourish will be coming. I finished up Wednesday by using a half box to mark a planner project I'm working on, and then another one of those sports bra icons for the Pretty Pink Co. to mark my workout. Moving on to the second half of the week, I'm putting headers, alternating between floral headers and those foiled headers to finish off the rest of the week, and then I scattered the rest of my full boxes. Placing one of those bow headers from Nettie Designs on top of the full box from Friday, then jumping back to Thursday, placing down a third box along with a laptop icon from the Pretty Pink Co. to mark some emails and projects I needed to focus on for work. Then I put down one of the washi strips from the kit. I had this idea of what I wanted to do with these florals. I wanted to slice one in half and like layer it around a washi strip. And I really love the way this came out. I added the florals from the Sweet Planner along with some of the corner florals from Letters from Lay, and I love how that turned out. The YouTube icon is from Sadie Stickers, and I use that to mark uploading my sticker album organization video. Underneath there, I'm placing one of the scallop circles from the kit and layering a credit card icon from the Pretty Pink Co. I had placed an order online with Michaels, which was really exciting because they had some really cute washi and some other things that I wanted to pick up. So I am excited for that order to come in. Then used another one of those flourishes from Alyssa's craft shop, and then finished off with a quarter box to mark doing a bar workout with this ballet slipper icon from Crafts by Thaowie. This was such a good week for me working out. I have been trying to like build up my workout schedule again because I had dropped down to doing like 3 or 4 days a week, and this week I've literally worked out so far every day this week. I'm recording this voiceover on Sunday, and so I do plan on working out tonight, which will make it 7 for 7. But so far I am 6 for 7 days, which I'm very happy about. Anyways, I marked my payday on Friday using one of the frame box. That payday script is from Nettie Designs. And then I marked the tons of sticker sales that were happening this weekend using the sticker sheet icon from Crafts by Thaowie, and the sticker sale script is from Letters to Apollo. Underneath there, I'm placing down another one of the floral decos from the kit using a zoom icon from Two Little Bow Babies, whose shop is called Sticky Bow Babies. And then adding a work script from Nettie Designs underneath there. Then I'm going to place down a page flag. I was listening to an Audible book at work on Friday, and so I wanted to mark that. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to take this little bow from a freebie from Sadie Stickers and add a bow to the payday script. I'm going to be honest. I am the person who's constantly being like, oh, we have bows on everything. And I get one script that doesn't have a bow on it. And what do? I put a bow on it. I don't trust anything I say anymore. I don't even know. I don't know. I can't explain it. Anywho, on to Saturday. I'm starting out by putting down one of the page flags. Actually, I put down a bow header, then that page flag, then layered a floral over it, added a car icon from Crafts by Thaowie to mark going for a drive, used a scallop circle and a nail polish icon from Crafts by Thaowie to mark painting my nails, a quarter box, and an editing icon, also from Crafts by Thaowie. This is like a running theme. I'm obsessed with her icons, so most of them are hers. Another one of those flourishes from Melissa's Craft Shop, and then another one of those cute little fancy boxes from Crafts by Thaowie, layered the laundry basket on top of that to mark folding and putting away clothes, because yep, the clothes I washed on Monday, I didn't do nothing with them all week. Yeah. And so I figured, you could finally fold and put those away, Shawnte. Feels like the right thing to do. Finished off the day by marking my workout with another one of those sports bras from the Pretty Pink Co. On to Sunday. As always, my goal with every Sunday, sleeping in is the first thing I want to do. Then I used a half box from the kit, layered one of the arrow layering stickers, and then added a YouTube play button icon from Crafts by Thaowie, along with a Plan With Me live script from Letters to Apollo. I just love her handwriting, and those stickers are just so adorable to me. And it was so perfect because I love the confetti that was on that half box, but sometimes it can be hard to write over like that foiled confetti detail that shops place on full boxes, so using a script sticker made it really easy to mark that. Underneath there, I'm adding a washi strip, another one of those cute little frames, and then that dishwashing icon is from Melissa's Craft Shop, just marking washing dishes, doing some chores around the house, typical weekend stuff. Then, oh goodness, okay, I put down a third box, and then I try to avoid doing this because I am someone who really loves layering, but I try to avoid layering just for the sake of layering. And I did not in this case. I am layering just for the sake of layering here, and it did not come out well. And I'm not happy with how this came out. And I'm just like, you shouldn't have did that. And as I look back, I wish I had just left it alone and left just the first flower and didn't add the second like foiled flower on top of there. And anyways, finished off the day by marking a planner project with the Crafts by Thaowie icon. And that ends the spread. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next video. Bye.